Yeah, welcome to my 22nd class, okay, of MySQL. So, and 22nd chapter. Here we'll discuss about handling time zones. So you'll see a set. I don't think this works, but thing is you need this admin access to do this. But we'll try it out. If it works, it's good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it because this requires admin access, okay, and it doesn't work just like that. Oh, it did. You select, you just an option. So it's 2:51:37. That's good. That's correct time. Okay, so that's the correct time it's showing now. So it's good. Alright, so we are setting this time zone to UTC. Now is actually 21:22, but this is the two queries actually. You are setting this. One is for the time zone for this. Okay, this time zone for this one, and the other time zone for UTC. So now is showing this one. Both are showing this now, so we want to use elastic, so doesn't count. Okay, so we are using one. Oh no, wait, this is three queries. One, two, this. Supposed to show, yeah, it just shows the sets the time between this. You can also set your own time and shows that also. Okay, so you can also do this for this convert length in the next section. In the next section we convert this store date time to another time zone. We can't do this because we don't have date column, but you can use this to do it. It's sales. I don't have sales table here. There's no sales table. So. Okay. So we don't do that one. Next sales. So it don't work. But yeah, the point is you can use this time zone timestamp function to see which time zone that is. Okay. So that's the point. Okay, next let's go to the next session. What is my server's local time setting? Let's see this. Does it work or not? Select at time zone. How interesting. UTC. So okay. Okay, so here let's try this one. We will create a temporary table here. So let's try to run this and see if it works. Okay, so we created a temporary table to just okay for the time zone. So what we did is temporary table named times, but it didn't show up here, right? And we inserted values now with the value of the time and the set time zone to system, and we just found it offside from the times, and again we dropped the table again. That's very interesting. So we created it and we dropped it. That's the point of this whole SQL query actually. See here we created this SQL called, we created a table called temporary table called times, and we put this value to UTC and inserted values. Now that means the value was supposed to be the date and the year, and we put the set time, and then we selected for it and we dropped it. So that showed these values, and there's no more the table because that was temporary table. Okay, but there was, see, there was no oh wait, there was no error message, right? I mean, there is no pop-up window saying that you want to drop it. That's very interesting, but there's supposed to be a message that you want to drop it, but never had that one. Okay, so that's about the usage of temporary tables. Okay, so you can use temporary tables too. So the temporary tables for using, you can use for the dates, not only for the dates but other options, you can use for other things, but here I just take an example for the date. Okay, let's go to the next one. Was the time zone for my server? Oh, that's the same thing again. Try this. So since this doesn't work, that doesn't work. Okay, so that's pretty much about this. Okay, oh, this is more for a Unix operating system. So if you're using Unix, it would be more useful. So that's pretty much about 22 lecture. We go to 23rd and see about regular expression in R like. So we will try to see what we can cover in this. Okay, and I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.